Overpacking your luggage. The thrill of preparing for a solo adventure often leads to the temptation of packing everything you might possibly need. Overpacking may seem like a minor inconvenience until you're lugging a massive suitcase up a flight of stairs or struggling to fit it into tight transportation spaces. Carrying excessive luggage can slow you down, increase transportation costs, and make you a target for pickpockets or thieves. Strategic packing starts with creating a detailed checklist of essentials tailored to your destination's climate and planned activities. Prioritize versatile clothing that can be layered and avoid packing just-in-case items that add unnecessary bulk. Opt for lightweight materials and travel-sized toiletries to conserve space and keep your bag manageable. A backpack or carry-on size suitcase often works best for solo travelers, allowing easy mobility and reducing the risk of baggage mishandling during transit. Organization within your luggage can also make a significant difference. Utilize packing cubes to compartmentalize items, ensuring you can quickly access what you need without disrupting everything else. Keeping valuables like your passport, electronics, and money in a small, easily accessible day pack will also save time and reduce stress. This system minimizes unpacking and repacking, giving you more time to focus on exploring your destination. The goal is to pack light and smart, giving you the freedom to move around effortlessly. Traveling with a compact, well-organized bag not only simplifies your journey but also enhances your confidence and security as a solo traveler. By avoiding the common mistake of overpacking, you'll feel empowered to embrace the spontaneity and adventure of traveling alone.